guys. Got no key to guys, push it start. Got no keys to guys, push it start. I just pray to the Lord that the money don't tear us apart. Buy me a pair, then I go to the sky. I'm in the pen like the 4th of July. Why that boy disappear when it was time to ride? I forbid that they drop on my niggas gon' slide. I asked my dog, are you down for the ride?
So what kind of car is this?
96 EK hatchback with a 2000 front end.
So you got the converted front end from the newer car.
Yeah.
Okay, that looks nice. So what can you tell me about the motor?
It's a H22 from Japan, JDM motor. JE pistons, ELO rods. It's a 9-to-1 compression. So the bottom end is built, it's sleeved. The head was rebuilt but with OE parts. It has a 3-angle valve job. But all the valves and springs are stock right now. Springs, retainers, everything's stock. Engine bay's a mess, so I gotta...
What about the manifold? What do you got going on with this manifold? Because I've never seen this before.
The top half is custom, the bottom half is OE. And I ported it myself.
Okay, so it's all custom built. That'd be why. Okay.
Has ID 1050X injectors.
Okay, what can you tell me about the turbo?
Uh,
Everybody loves turbo. Where was it from?
It's a Mitsubishi turbo. It's off actual diesel engine. I believe it's off a generator actually. I was trying to source out where it's from. Okay. Exactly, like what it's off of.
So it's just a retrofitted turbo. You just fit it onto your headers? Are those custom headers or?
Yeah. And then I have a CSF radiator I did. Mishimoto oil cooler.
And the DUC Sports.
Strap bar, yeah.
Yeah, that looks like a D's one. I've never seen this one. So, how many horsepower is it making?
I'm not sure actually.
No. So Matthews, I think he claims is making like 200. That's what he said. And Brandon's is making 150. Is this one 90 or?
Probably like 145.
145. Okay, 140. Solid 145 horsepower.
It's not much yet. It's not where I want it to be yet. But it needs work. It needs cams and all that. Right now, I have a tune. I got it tuned by DMT. But the issue I'm having right now, the horsepower is staying about the same. It's not making more. On 20 pounds right now on release gate actually. The issue is when it's getting too much air. They're telling me it's getting if they keep trying to tune it, they said that it's just gonna keep increasing in torque, but my horsepower is gonna stay the same. So I gotta do cams and some other stuff.
I also noticed you got brakes, but you got done for the brakes.
Those are Wilwood HPD. I forgot the model. HPD8. 4 pistons.
With slotted drilled rotors. Looks good. Got the stopping power, I see. And I also noticed you had the carbon fiber cutouts.
Yeah, those are carbon fiber cutouts, large. You can get them in small or large. The small actually end at the molding from here down. The large come up to here. Those are from Track Life, a guy in the US.
And you actually cut out your fender, put them in yourself?
Yeah, I cut it out and then, yeah. I did I gotta fix the brackets, but I have the quick latch for the bumper release.
On both sides, right? So your bumper comes off with two pushes of that button.
A button on each side, and I have 2 bolts holding the front. Okay. And then I have the ARP carbon mirrors. APR carbon mirrors.
Okay.
PCI side skirts, the 4-inch, I believe it was.
These are for more aerodynamics, right?
Yeah, aerodynamics looks. I like how they look.
Okay.
Pastor JDM tow hook.
And you drilled the holes in your rear bumper.
Yeah, I did the golden needle rear diffuser. Pastor JDM tow hook. NKRPF 20s and SPC.
A full roll cage inside.
Yeah, there's a cage.
You're running a standalone, or you have a Honda?
It's a Honda S300 V2 right now.
Okay.
Cars I'm working on, so it's a mess right now.
But you got a carbon fiber.
Like, oh my
I don't know if they could see that in the video.
I have a light in there, but the fucking tire took my battery because it's not even shot.
Everybody's project is in the process. Okay. You're running meth and an extra. What's that tank called again?
That's a surge tank.
Surge tank.
Usually surge tanks they use on circuit. When you take turns and stuff, that's these filled with fuel. So if the fuel in your tank runs away from the pickup, you still have fuel. But I actually put it in this piece. I do it more for Drake, but my issue was my intake pump. I had two pumps. I had right now I have a 380 ADM right there.
Yeah.
But the intake couldn't keep up because the car had a different setup before. The intake couldn't keep up with the bigger pump, so what I did is I made a surge tank. So the stock intake, or not stock, but the intake pump runs into the surge tank. The surge tank feeds the big pump. The big pump sends it to the motor, and then the return comes back into the surge tank. So that way I have two feeds feeding the big pump. I have whatever's in the intake, and I have the return from the rail feeding this. And then when this surge tank gets overfilled, it runs back into the stock tank. So it helps keep the fuel flow to the main pump.
So she doesn't run lean.
Yeah.
Okay, and you also got meth to cool her down too.
Yeah, I have a water meth system, AEM.
And that's full meth, or are you concentrated?
This is actually 40 degree washer fluid.
Okay.
Yeah, minus 40. As long as it's the blue stuff, you're okay.
Yes. What do you got for suspension?
Blocks, drag, coilovers.
Okay. And do they go by stages or anything, or are you not sure?
No.
And then you also have a custom catch can or something?
Yeah, I actually have a vibrant catch can. This is what these 2-10s run to. It's actually under there because I didn't know where to put it.
That's clean though, you don't see it.
If you go back here, you can see there. If I take the bumper off, it actually sits back there.
Oh shit, man. Yeah. Nice, so when you get like 20-inch wheels, you just rub all over this.
Yeah. The pump's down there.
That's AEM pump too, right? Or...
Yeah, that's part of the meth K. That's AEM.
Thanks for showing us your car, man. It's pretty clean.
Homie switch up. I done seen my closest homie switch up. I done seen my closest homie switch up. Yeah. I done seen my closest homie switch up. Now they sister asking for a picture. Now my ex, she thinking that I miss her. Only thing I want in life is to get richer. Man, I go in. Baby, you know that I get it. Can nobody come on my way? Throwing grams in the switch it down. Ain't no worry, cause we getting the pay. Mary Jane in the system, y'all. Eyes closed, we be burning the haze. With that girl, I'm a sister down. But she keep asking BigSousa to lay. She wanna play. I gotta leave, but she want me to stay. The money is coming, girl, that's on the way. That is the spot I can stay at your place. Roll up a bat and then smoke to the face. My money talking, you have nothing to say. Come to the crib and I open the gate. Switched up, so get out of my space.
Mary Jane is always in my system, yike.
I need some switch up, yeah. Now I see someone a picture. Yeah, throwing grams up in the switch up. Want a picture, wanna switch up. I done see my closest homie going. Switch up, yeah.